And we are joined now by defense attorney and former federal prosecutor Shan Wu. Shan, good to see you on this Saturday. We appreciate you being here. All right, let's start first with this ruling on tariffs. The appeals court saying Trump went too far. Explain why this matters and what kind of impact this ruling can ultimately have.
Well, from a common sense standpoint, Jessica, it's pretty easy to understand the ruling because tariffs are simply not in the statute that he tried to impose them under. The words are missing from it. So it seems like a pretty easy open and shut case, but the court's being cautious and saying this doesn't go into effect until the administration gets a chance to appeal it to the U.S. Supreme Court. The practical effect of this, once they do go into effect, is enormous because a lot of this money has already been collected in the way of taxes, and there's a huge logistical nightmare as to how you would actually attempt to refund that money if it's already been spent. So from a procedural standpoint, that's just an enormous can of worms that really courts, administrations haven't faced before. But it's so critical. I was glad to hear that the court used that language about the taxes, because so often there's this idea tariffs are not taxes, but the court correctly points out they are, and that power does not really rest with the president, it rests with Congress.